In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Firstly, open your Tonkeeper wallet and locate Ton for the token you want to send. Tap on Send button to start the transfer process. Open Binance account, go to your wallet, select Deposit, then choose Ton as the asset you wish to deposit. Binance will generate a deposit address for Ton. Copy it and go back to Tonkeeper wallet and paste it into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Ton you want to send to Binance and double check the recipient address and the amount, then tap Send and confirm the transaction. You might need to enter your PIN or confirm the action via another verification method in your Tonkeeper app. After the transaction is sent, you can track its progress in the Tonkeeper wallet. Once confirmed, the Ton will appear in your Binance wallet. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.